Morning everybody, this is Michael at FOUCH FABS. What I'm doing right now is unboxing a Weha Granite work table. It is this one right here that we're unboxing. It's $749 plus they charged me about $300 and some to ship it here. So I'm well over $1,000 with this thing. And I hadn't planned on doing a video until I opened it and pulled the first piece out. When you pay that kind of money for something, you kind of want it to be nice. Look at this rubber. Obviously, I'm going to have to do something with that to modify it, because the first piece of stone I slide across it, that's going to rip off. So I don't know. I hope my people in the industry, my brothers and sisters in the granite world, I hope they can watch things like this and know what they're going to get before they spend a lot of money on things. I hope my first impressions aren't accurate, but I will keep you posted. Another thing I'm noticing off the back here is I pulled out the bottom side, and I was trying to decide which side's the bottom and which side is the upper side to connect to the top there. I went over here and looked for some type of instruction manual to put it together, so I guess you need to be pretty handy to put this together. You can't just have one of your new guys or one of your office people come put it together, because there's no instructions, none at all. So you kind of need to know what you're doing, have a little bit of understanding of parts, so that you can have a chance of putting this thing together correctly. So that's another negative right off the bat. So I have used the cart now for a couple days. You guys see me putting it together. We just spliced this video together, Gary did. But another negative that I found on this part, watch this. You see my little slant right here on the ground? You see the little leg lockers right here that don't really do a good job of locking it? This is what happens when you push it over a slant. Bam! Stuck. Push it down. Nope. So now you gotta lift it up. Now just think, if you've got 500-pound stone on there, what's gonna happen? Go up the slant. This is not a huge slant. Well, it went pretty decent there until right there. Right there. Bam! Bam! Also, on one of my wheel locks here, I went to push it down, and the dang thing just fell off. I was able to snap it back into place, and it's working all right now. But on level ground here, look at that. That's supposed to be locked. Unlock. Lock. So we had to switch up phones because I ran out of storage on mine. My man Gary, he works Monday and Friday, so I made a bunch of videos. But anyways, the main thing I wanted to say, and you guys know, I think we've got like 60 some videos. I don't know if you've ever heard me badmouth a product. Ever. It's usually me giving a big thumbs up. But this cart here from Weha, W-E-H-A, it's rubbed off right here. $750 for the cart. I think they charged me about an extra $200 or $300 to ship it to me. So now I'm about $1,000 plus 3 hours to put it together, plus a half a day to let the silicone that I use to keep the rubber from falling off. Then I go to push the damn thing up my ramp and it jams up. I put backsplash on it because I think I'm going to use it for a backsplash part because I can't push it over my ups and downs. Well, hell, I couldn't even lock it in place because the locks won't lock down. So, do not buy this cart. Do not buy this cart. Weha normally puts out a good product. I've bought a lot of stuff from them. And I thought because of the name I would be getting a good product, but that is not the case with this. They definitely need to step up their game. They need to add some features or upgrade some features or something, and I'll be happy if they would give me back my time and money for this bad boy. But as it is, I'm stuck with it and I'll use it. But just for everybody else that owns a shop and thinking about getting a cart, stay away from this one. Find something else. Thanks for watching, guys.